It's common for established brands like Specialized to face new competitors. When DJI, a well-known tech company famous for drones, introduces its first e-bike, things will likely change the Amflow PL. But how does it compete with the just-released Gen 4 of the reliable Specialized Turbo Levo 4? This match is about more than just specifications, it's about tradition versus innovation. Let's look at both bikes and see which one comes out on top. The Specialized Turbo Levo 4 brings in its new 3.1 motor, delivering a potent 101 Newton-meters of torque and 666 watts of peak power. It's tuned to feel smooth and responsive on technical terrain and integrates seamlessly with specialized software and mastermind display. The DJI Amflow PL, meanwhile, charges in with brute force. Its Avinox M1 motor produces a class-leading 105 Newton-meters torque and ramps up to 850 watts with up to 1,000 watts in boost mode. Despite being new to the scene, DJI knows how to extract performance from compact motors. Here, DJI Amflow PL edges out with better peak power and higher torque, giving it a performance upper hand on steeper gradients and sprints. The Turbo Levo 4 houses a massive 840 watt-hour battery built into the down tube with a side entry system and supported by the Mastermind T3 display for real-time energy management. Combined with the efficient Specialized 3.1 motor, it's designed for long trail days, delivering consistent support over extended climbs and flowy single tracks. The Amflow PL isn't far behind with its 800 watt-hour integrated Avinox battery. While slightly smaller in capacity, the Avinox's boost mode and higher output could mean faster depletion if pushed. However, in standard modes, the efficiency appears quite close. With 40 watt-hours more in the tank and a well-refined energy management system, the Turbo Levo 4 offers slightly longer runtime over the PL and takes the lead here. Specialized's Mastermind T3 display is a 2.2-inch high-resolution color screen that blends seamlessly into the cockpit. It's fully customizable via the Specialized app, shows real-time tuning, and even supports over-the-air updates and ride data tracking, clearly built with the performance-oriented rider in mind. DJI counters with a slick 2-inch OLED Avinox control display, which is bright, minimal, and intuitive. It brings over its tech pedigree with responsive controls and even wireless charging for your phone, a welcome addition for long trail days or bike packing. Here, Specialized wins on customization and data depth. DJI impresses with simplicity, OLED clarity, and bonus features like wireless charging make the result tied. The Turbo Levo 4's Fact 11-meter carbon chassis is everything you'd expect from Specialized, robust, refined, and thoughtfully designed. It includes SWAT internal storage, a clean battery integration system, and compatibility with UDH. The geometry is adjustable, and the frame is ready for forks up to 180mm, giving it future-proof trail versatility. The Amflow PL's carbon frame leans on DJI's design minimalism. It uses a 4-bar suspension layout, and while the brand is new, the build quality doesn't feel like a first attempt. Internal cable routing, lightweight structure, and clean integration reflect DJI's high-end manufacturing capabilities. At a frame level, it's lighter, tipping the scales under 20 kilograms for top spec models. Even though Specialized's frame is premium and trail-proven, DJI's carbon execution is impressively light and modern, and edges out the Levo 4. The Turbo Levo 4 features a Fox Float 36 rhythm fork and a Fox Float X performance rear shock, integrated with Specialized's own GENIE shock tech and Ride Dynamics trail tune. It's tailored for efficient mid-stroke support and balance, especially on technical terrain. Amflow PL comes in hot with Fox 36 performance grip forks and a Fox Float Performance rear shock, using a classic 4-bar setup. The suspension is competent and well spec'd for its segment, but lacks some of the custom trail tuning that Specialized brings through its in-house ride dynamics system. With its proprietary GENIE tech and more refined mid-stroke dynamics, Specialized delivers a better tuned ride feel out of the box. Specialized packs the Levo 4 with an SRAM GX Eagle AXS transmission, including the AXS pod controller, T-type derailleur, and a 12-speed 1052T cassette. It's clean, wireless, and shifts reliably even under load. The Amflow PL appears to come with an SRAM GX drivetrain, likely a mechanical setup, which is more traditional and easier to service, but lacks the finesse and weight savings of the wireless SRAM setup. The wireless shifting, smoother transitions under load, and less cockpit clutter gives Specialized a performance and aesthetic edge. In addition, the Turbo Levo 4 uses SRAM Maven Bronze 4 piston brakes with 220mm rotors up front and 200mm rotors at the rear. These offer serious stopping power, especially when you need to clamp hard on steep descents or during rapid transitions. The Amflow PL is equipped with Magura MT5 brakes, which are solid 4-piston options in their own right, though generally regarded as slightly behind SRAM's latest for bite and heat resistance under sustained braking. Turbo Levo 4 rides on a mullet setup, optimizing agility and rollover capability. The Butcher Grid gravity tyres with Gripton T9 compound are grippy and confidence-inspiring in aggressive riding conditions. The rims are 30mm hookless alloy, tubeless ready, with DT Swiss Industry spokes for durability. Amflow PL sticks to a full 29-inch setup, favouring straight line speed and better rollover on chunky terrain. The wheelset details are limited, but its carbon handlebar and overall lighter build complement the big wheel setup well. Here, Specialized wins on mixed wheel playfulness and grippy tyre compounds. Amflow offers better speed stability and climbing efficiency with dual 29 ERs. Additionally, the Specialized Turbo Levo 4 in S4 size weighs 24.41 kilograms, respectable for its feature-rich build and long-range battery. The Amflow PL? This is where it shocks the category. Entry models start at 21.2 kilograms, and the top model trims down to an eye-watering 19.4 kilograms. For a full-power e-MTB, that's nothing short of revolutionary. Here, DJI Amflow PL wins, lighter, faster, and more agile when gravity's not on your side. Thank you for tuning in. The Specialized Turbo Levo 4 is a high-performance, customizable bike known for its excellent drivetrain, braking, and suspension. In contrast, the DJI Amflow PL is lightweight and powerful with impressive tech features at a competitive price. Choose the Levo for polished dynamics and proven support, or the Amflow PL for unmatched weight and power from a new brand. Overall, both bikes deliver outstanding performance for different types of trail riders. Which side is on you? Let us know in the comments section below.